Christmas Eve, December 24th, 2024. Good day, everybody. We're going to talk about Stevenson Ranch specifically, but I'm going to give you an overall picture of Santa Clarita Valley and also my best to you and yours. I hope your Christmas is the best yet. Of course, I'll be back tomorrow with a quick update for Saugus, California. I do not miss a day, just to keep everybody aware of what's happening. I know it's probably the last thing on your list unless you actually have something for sale or you're preparing to jump into the market coming January, but at least it's good information. Hopefully it will help you. All of the resources that I'm pulling from are going to be from Santa Clarita openhouses.com. You can go there. There is no registration required. You can search as much as you want for any piece of real estate. You will get a pop-up every once in a while saying, hey, quit being a ninja, share your information with Connor. Only do that when you're ready, if you want me to contact you so we can discuss how to best approach your real estate needs. Day 359 of this year, 2024, week number 52. In the past 7 days, the Santa Clarita real estate market has had 12 coming soon listings, 23 new listings enter the market, 30 properties have had their prices changed, 17 properties have gone back on market. Properties that have gone active under contract, you'll see those online denoted as backup listings potentially. Most of those are going to be 33. We have 30 pending properties, 61 properties closed escrow this past week. There is kind of this year-end try to get things closed before New Year's happens for tax purposes for a lot of people. So watch out for that. If you have cash and you're looking to negotiate, this might be that time. But to be able to get it all done in a few days after Christmas is going to be tough, but it could happen. So contact me for more information. We have 7 listings that expired, 12 have been canceled, 15 have been put on hold, 1 property have been pulled off the market in total. So focusing down on Stevenson Ranch, active 37 total. Price ranges at the low end, 538 grand to 1.875 million. Median list price is $869,999. Median days on market, 45 days. Average price per square foot, that's going to be $479.89. So this past week in Stevenson Ranch, 2 properties closed, and that median sold price was around $805,000. And we have sold to list price ratio 97.5. That indicates that sellers are getting almost everything they want. Maybe the pricing's a little overzealous, but that's something to discuss with your agent. If you are going online trying to get values as far as what your house might be worth, I would say stand down that and make sure that you reach out to a professional so they can explain to you how the market is and what potentially the strategy that they're going to employ in selling your house. Couple of different ways to handle that. You could do a pricing strategy that's potentially going to get multiple offers and then stack those offers against each other in an attempt to get it higher than even that listing price or even the price that you had thought it would go out at. That's one strategy. Another strategy is to put it right in line with the market and let the days on market take care of it, where it's going to go out depending on days on market timeframes, anywhere in Stevenson Ranch from 7 to 15 to maybe 20 days. That's very typical. This time of year, things to watch out for. There's a lot of advertising making it simple to sell your home. Be wary of those services. Usually there's a cost, and the cost of them purchasing your residence directly from you is expensive. In fact, it's more than if you were to pay full commissions on all ends in that 6% category, which used to be back in the day. Now we don't see those numbers typically as far as commissions goes, but that's something you definitely want to talk to your real estate agent about and find out what they're charging. And then with what they're charging, you want to find out where that value is going to be. If they're doing it because they're the handsomest realtor in the world, well, that's one thing. Maybe that works for you. But seeing what they do, what they publish, where they are in the search, and not just the typical organic searches, because that's kind of going away. Also, we see pay-per-click kind of going away as well as real estate agents. Right now, the thing that really works is just trying to saturate the market in video content that isn't me dancing around houses and, popping balloons. It's actually me giving real estate in places like Stevenson Ranch and the direct city, having those influences here in the local market, talking about that inventory, how long it's taking properties to sell, what buyers are looking for, what kind of concessions are sellers paying, and then also how to best protect yourself when getting into a real estate contract or even starting to look at real estate listings with your agent, because you're going to be signing as of the first of the year, and I know most agents are doing this already, but it is law now. It will be required you sign a buyer-broker agreement, so I do a lot of video content on how to keep yourself safe when you're looking over that agreement and what those most important three parts of it are, just to make sure that you're not putting yourself in harm's way knowingly. I'm Connor with Honor. Thank you so much for watching. We will be back in the next one. Check out SantaClaritaOpenHouses.com. And of course, I published my book. I don't think it's in frame there, but you can SantaClaritaOpenHouses.com to see that as well on the homepage. Merry Christmas Eve. We'll be back tomorrow for Merry Christmas. I hope everybody's well. And thank you from the bottom of my heart for watching and supporting my channel. We'll talk to you soon.